Hey, did you catch the news about XAI's new release, Groc III? It's like taking the AI world by storm.
No way. What's so special about it?
Well, it's absolutely crushing benchmarks in math, coding, and even image generation. It's
Seriously?
raising the bar for what's possible.
That sounds impressive, but aren't new AI models always claiming to be the next big thing?
True, but Groc 3's performance in the LM Arena blind tests is, undeniable. It's consistently outperforming other models.
So we're talking about a significant leap forward here?
Absolutely. We're seeing AI that's not just mimicking human language, but actually solving complex problems.
Wow,
It's like the difference between a calculator and a full-fledged problem solver.
that's a big deal. What sets Grok 3 apart from the rest?
Well, it has this deep search mode that's incredibly powerful for sifting through large amounts of text. And then there's the think mode, which shows its reasoning step by step. It's like getting a peek
Interesting.
into the AI's brain.
That's incredible. So it can explain how it arrives at its conclusions?
Yeah, exactly. It's like when you're solving a puzzle and you can see each move laid out.
Right.
It makes the AI's decision-making process transparent.
That could be a game changer for trust and reliability in AI systems.
Precisely. And XAI's own game studio is planning to use it for game design.
No way.
Imagine the possibilities.
That's amazing. But do you think it might make human game designers obsolete?
Well, I don't think so. It's more like a tool that can enhance creativity. It can handle complex coding tasks, freeing up designers to focus on the creative aspects.
I see your point, but isn't there a risk of over-reliance on AI potentially stifling human innovation?
That's a valid concern. But I think if we use it responsibly, it can actually amplify human creativity. It's all about balance.
Yeah. Speaking of innovation, have you heard about Perplexity AI releasing their R1 776 model?
Oh yes, it's a big win for the open source AI movement.
Totally.
Making these models accessible promotes transparency and collaboration.
Absolutely. It democratizes AI and allows for community-driven improvements.
Exactly. And it helps identify and mitigate biases more effectively.
Right.
It's a more inclusive approach to AI development.
What do you think about OpenAI's move towards more uncensored models?
It's a significant step towards greater freedom of expression, but it does raise questions about responsible use and potential misuse.
It's kind of a double-edged sword, isn't it?
Exactly. We need to balance openness with ethical considerations.
Agreed.
It emphasizes the importance of developing robust guidelines.
What about Microsoft and OpenAI's plans for GPT 4.5 and GPT 5? That's exciting, right?
Oh, definitely. They're aiming to specialize. One model focusing on simpler tasks and the other tackling more complex problems.
Interesting.
It's a smart strategy.
And Microsoft's new AI hub in their store, is that making AI more accessible to the average person?
Exactly. By integrating AI-powered apps into the store, they're bringing AI to a wider audience.
That's great.
It's about making AI user-friendly.
Google's not sitting idle either. Their AI co-scientist sounds fascinating.
Oh yeah, it's designed to assist scientists in their research, helping generate ideas and solve complex problems.
Amazing.
It's like having a superpowered research assistant.
That's a huge time saver. It could accelerate scientific breakthroughs.
Absolutely. And they're also making advancements in image processing and advertising with tools like Pijama 2 Mix.
Wow.
The applications are limitless.
It's amazing how AI is transforming various sectors from science to marketing.
It really is. It's like AI is the Swiss Army knife of technology. There's so
True.
much potential.
And what's happening with Mistral AI?
They've been working on Arabic language AI, which is crucial for inclusivity. Making
That's
AI
fantastic.
accessible to more people is so important.
And the developments in self-learning AI through talk clustering, what's that about?
It's a major breakthrough towards more autonomous AI systems.
Fascinating.
It's like teaching machines to learn without explicit instructions.
That's mind-blowing. The potential is immense.
Exactly. It's opening up a whole new world of possibilities.
Absolutely. On the hardware side, what's happening in China with DeepSeek's R1 model?
They've managed to reduce training costs significantly, potentially lessening reliance on NVIDIA GPUs. It's a
Impressive.
sign of growing self-reliance.
So the hardware race is heating up too?
Definitely. Hardware advancements are crucial for driving further progress in AI capabilities.
Right.
It's a symbiotic relationship between hardware and software.
It's incredible how fast everything is moving. What's next on the horizon?
Well, we should keep an eye on the releases of GPT 4.5 and GPT 5.
Can't wait.
And continued developments in open source AI and hardware are going to be exciting.
It's an exciting time to be following AI. The future looks bright.
Absolutely, can't wait to see what's next.